So today the skill I'm going to be demonstrating is how to administer light therapy to an animal. And you want to start by keeping a good distance away from the pet and having them on a clean and flat surface. And then you want to make sure that the animal is also calm as well while they're on the ground or on whatever surface they're on. Then you want to make sure you provide safety for you and the animal, so that would be giving them goggles and giving yourself goggles as well. You would also ask the vet what kind of therapy they're going to be administering, so you know where to put the light on, and as well for what kind of time you're going to be putting as well on the machine. So then you're going to set up your machine, and over here it's going to ask you what animal you want first, and you would press canine. And then depending on where you're going to be administering the laser, you would press it. So we're just going to do the hot spots. And then here you're able to ask the veterinarian what time or how to adjust any of the laser that you need. And then you can start the laser. So we're just going to put ours for 5 minutes, and then we're going to start on the animal, and we're going to start on a specific part. Since we're doing it for hot spots, we're going to start on one specific back part of the leg. And you would start by grabbing the laser, and then you can start bleeding. Once you hear that noise, you can start it on where it is, and you make sure you don't point your hand or anything, and do it in a side-to-side motion, and until the timer beeps. During this, you want to make sure that the animal is calm and on the ground still or laying down, and you want to make sure that their goggles are still staying on, and so are yours. When you're doing this, you want to make sure you're doing it in a side-to-side motion, and you also want to make sure that you don't keep it on one spot for too long, as it can get hot and burn them. Once the time is done, you can remove your goggles, and you can also remove your animal's goggles as well. And finally, they will be able to be sent back, and now they won't be having any pain, or they'll also have no more inflammation. And then once they're done, you make sure to clean up, and that's the end of the video.